planet is saving this very animal. This very adorable animal.
But Bridget, you never told the audience what in-situ management is, you silly goose!
Sasha, we're not talking about geese. We're talking about monkeys! But if you guys want to know what in-situ management is, I can tell you. In-situ management is the process of protecting endangered plant and animal species within their natural habitat, either by cleaning or protecting the habitat itself, or by defending the creature from its predators.
That's right! But we'll never get to see the adorable example of in-situ management if we stand here talking all day.
That's right, old chap. Let's get going.
As you can see, these animals are very rare. That's why they're endangered, because they're almost extinct.
Hey, look in the tree up there. The monkey.
We don't want to startle the monkey. It's probably not used to seeing people. After all, this area is a Category 3 protected area, PA in guide slang. For those of you who don't know what a protected area is, it is a geographically defined area that is designated and regulated and managed to achieve specific conservation objectives. It may be set aside for the protection of biological diversity.
For those of you who aren't PA savvy, let me fill you in. There are 6 categories of PA protection that were established by the World Conservation Union in 1948. These range from a low level of protection in Category 6 to a high, strict level of protection in Category 1 areas.
Okay, let's try to get closer.
We have monkey on the brain.
It's 2 a.m. and like New York, the monkey seems to never sleep.
As I lie here in this tent, unable to sleep, I have come to the epiphany that perhaps you do not know the difference between in situ and ex situ species management.
The main difference is that in situ management does not remove the organisms from their natural habitat, whereas ex situ management does. However, there is more to it than that.
Right. In situ management is the first line of defense against extinction. It is implemented when a species population reaches alarmingly low levels, but there is still enough genetic diversity within the population that it has a good chance to evolve and adapt with limited human interference.
Right you are, chap. In situ management is considered more desirable because of its numerous benefits.
First, this type of management is cheap and convenient. The species are allowed to remain in the habitat they are used to, and the factors that are detrimental are simply removed from the habitat.
Second, the entire ecosystem is saved when helping the single organism. Therefore, the organism has space and time to adapt naturally to its new surroundings.
Thirdly, it is given time to evolve in its natural habitat. This will ensure its survival in the future.
Exactly! Now, for the disadvantages.
Wait!
What? I'm trying to talk to the audience here.
Shh. Do you hear that?
What?
Exactly! Nothing.
The monkeys! They've gone to sleep! Now we can sleep!
We'll see you in the morning.
Sorry for the interruption last night. Or should I say, the stopping of the interruption? Anyways, disadvantages in situ management do exist, unfortunately. There are 2 main disadvantages. The first being that it is very hard to difficult illegal exploitation, such as poaching. That makes me sick. The second main disadvantage to conservation is a great way to improve and maintain traditional agricultural varieties by combining scientific methods with traditional farm experience and field work.
Oh look! They were the monkeys again, just in time to see us off.
Take one last look at this beautiful creature that this type of management is helping us save.
Well, maybe not that long a look.
That's all for this week's episode. Tune in next Thursday for more interesting facts and to see more adorable animals that our vibrant planet is the home to. Conservation unit.